Hello everybody, today we're gonna to make a password signing in project using Python. So first let's create a new file using this button, and let's say the name of the file is password. Okay, and then we'll put the dot and then we type the extension file py. Now because the code is little bit too big and it has two lines, because we are not in the advanced mode. When we learn more, so we can make the code shorter. So I will just speed up this part, and then I will explain you the code and I will show you the code. Also I will what I will show you the code so you can type it easily. So I will pause. So just now I had finished typing the code. So let me explain you the code, and also what I will show you the code or upload it in the link in the description below. Here it's saying print. Okay, first of all it will print for you, welcome. Please enter your password to enter your account. Okay, and here it will say the password equals to input, and it will say enter the password. And here we will make it time equals 0, means time of out, means you did 3 times and it's all wrong, out of times for trying. And then we make the if statement, and it says out if password equal this, means this is the password, math at 1 to 3. If it's correct, if it's equal this, print welcome to your account. If else means not, will put 1 because he tried and it's wrong, and then it will check out. If time is 3, print out of times, and it will stop. And then password to input, it's the same thing, it's what's repeating, but the time one the variable only for time. But password we have another password number 2 variable and password number 3 variable. Okay, so here password 2, if password 2, here is the password. If password 2 equal math at 1 to 3, what to do is print welcome to your account. Else send this one, and then it will check. So what not also here, because it's 3 times. When we go to advanced mode and learn more, so we can make it shorter. And here we have password 3 equals to input, enter the password again. Password 3 equal math at 1 to 3, print welcome to your account. If else, okay, and now it's 3, so it will say out of times and no nothing after. Okay, if we have more, it will have to stop automatically when you go to advanced mode and learn more. Okay, and also I've uploaded this code in the description below. Don't worry if you don't understand something or anything that you want to ask me about, no problem, you can type me in the description below. So just now here it's what also this is a sample like the what we did in here. Okay, what here we cannot use while because it will wait. Well, maybe it will. Okay, but I'm not sure. in the next video, maybe I will try and check. So I hope that you had understood. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and goodbye, and I see you in the next video.